Yes, students, welcome in the practical session of data file handling. Today we will learn how to create our file and how can we open it in Python, and learn what are the attributes of file object. Whenever you create a file, it is created in the same folder where your Python module is working. So to know where is your Python module is working, if if you have installed long back, so you may not recall where is your Python module is working. So you can do import OS and then write os.getcwd. It will list you the path of your Python module. Here in my system, it is in C program files Python 36. So we create one file here in Notepad. And simply write some statement. Hello, how are you? And I am saving this in the same folder where my Python module is working. So as you can see here, it is already selected C program files Python 36. So here I am writing my file name, hello.txt, and then save. Since it is already exist, so we are replacing it. Yes. Now I am closing this and open file in script mode. Here I am writing code for opening a text file. We need a file objects. So my file object is f is equals to open. This is a function for opening a file. Open and give the name of the file which is already exist, hello.txt. So this function will link hello.txt with this file object, and using this file object we can perform operations on this file from Python. Here I am simply printing this object, so it will show you the details of this file object. First of all, we have to save this file. Let's give this name first data file and save. Since we have run this, it will display the output. It is taking time. Yes, here you can see the output. hello.txt is the name. Mode, as we have discussed in this previous video, mode specifies the purpose of opening file. Here it is saying that the mode of the file is R, means for read purpose we are opening file. Read is a default file mode. It is also showing the encoding type text file is stored in a Sky or Unicode, so it is specifying the encoding format. Now, whenever you create a file, whenever you open a file object is created, and this file object have so many attributes. We can see here some attributes: f.name, f.closed. f.name will say you the name of the file associated with the object, and f.closed specify the status whether file is linked or we have broken the link. So closed will say true if it is closed, false if it is not closed. So this is our program. I am giving a name hello.py, and let's run this. You can see the output. The name of the file which is linked with our file object is hello.txt, and this output appears because of this statement, this printf.name. The second output, third out line is false, which comes because of this statement printf.closed. It is telling that this file is still linked with this f because we have not executed f.close function. Here we have executed f.close and then we are printing f.closed. So it is telling that you have closed the link. So the status of closed is true. This is the way by which we can check the attributes of the file object. Now, if you want to create your file from Python, simply you can take some input. We are creating a new file. F is equals to open hello.txt, and my purpose is write, and I am taking some input from user. Input, enter a sentence, and whatever sentence he will input, it will be stored in st, and now I am writing this content using f.write st. So this will write the text vector into the file hello.txt, and now I am closing this. Here I am giving my file name, file write save. Enter a sentence. I am writing here whatever we written previously, hello, how are you? Now I am writing here welcome in the new session of data file handling. So here there is no output because we have not used any print statement, but my file is created. I can check it by going into the folder where my Python module is running, For this, you can open Notepad, file, open. Name of my file is hello.txt. So this is hello.txt, and now open. You can check whatever we input, what is here in this file, and the previous content is gone. So this is the way we can create our own file. How do we open file, how do we close file, and how do we create a file. Thank you. 10 मिनट का बन गया.